My farm experience, I actually grew up on my grandfather's dairy farm down in southern Wisconsin until about the age of 10, which at that point my dad purchased a John Deere dealership up in Auburndale. And so I was always involved in the dairy and the equipment and the farming aspect of that. And so I always was in that whole arena and I always kept that in my roots. And then when I got into insurance, that farm aspect was just one of those loves of mine, and I still love doing it to this day. There's no specific size farm that you need to have in order to be insured as a farm. Farm could consist of anything from maybe a cow, a couple horses, some beef cattle, or half dozen chickens. It's more specifically to the amount of land and the buildings that are actually on the property. So there is no specific one policy that's meant for all farms. Each farm policy is customized by your agent. We're going to look at the policy, we're going to look at the exposures to make sure that you have the proper coverage for that specific case. Now, a small farm will have different needs and requirements over a large farm. If we're looking at a dairy farm, someone that maybe has 25 cattle is going to have very specific needs versus the larger 1,500 cow dairies. Those are going to require some equipment breakdowns, some workers' comp coverages. They're going to have larger equipment schedules and whatnot. So that's really where it comes down to the individual agent specifying and personalizing that policy for you. I would say probably one of the bigger things that most farmers totally overlook is the life insurance angle. Farmers are always very land rich, and when it comes to their passing, then there can be some capital gains and some inheritance taxes that could very easily be satisfied with some life insurance. So if you're interested or looking for farm insurance, give one of your agents at Forward Insurance a call. We'll customize a product and a policy for you, and we'll help move forward together.